Do you ever find that every time you take a photo on your iPhone, it automatically becomes a live photo? If you prefer regular, still images and want to permanently turn off live photos, in this video I'll show you a simple way to do it once and for all. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated when I post new tutorials. So first, open your camera. When you're in it and take a photo, you'll see that it's automatically captured as a live photo. In the top right corner, you'll see 6 dots. Tap on them. Then, in the menu that appears, look for the live option. If it's enabled, it will appear yellow. Tap it once to turn it off. Now, when you take a photo, you'll see that it is no longer a live photo, but a regular still image. But be careful. There's one more important step you need to do to make sure the live photos option doesn't turn back on automatically. So now open your settings. Once you're in settings, find the camera section and tap on it. In the camera section, find preserve settings and tap on it. Scroll down a little and find the live photo option, then toggle the switch to turn it off. This way, once you turn off live photos in the camera app, the setting will be permanently saved, and from now on you'll always take regular still photos on your iPhone. And that's everything for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.